BerthMaster Online allows you to be in full control of your electricity and water supply at the marina, providing benefits such as increased security in preventing electricity theft, convenience of use at any BerthMaster Online operated marina worldwide, and the ability to manage your utility remotely. The email alert settings can help you stay on top of it all. It's easy to use from any web-enabled device such as your smartphone or tablet, and some marinas may also offer master keypad pedestals on the pontoons from which you can access your account. Follow these steps to get started. Create your account at BerthMaster.online. A verification email will be sent and will be with you in a couple of minutes. In rare cases, this may end up in your junk email. Please add the email address to your address book so that our emails always go to your inbox. To finish your account registration, you must indicate your email alert preferences. These emails will alert you to any changes to your boat, such as loss of power. You can also receive alerts for low credit or enable automatic top-ups to help prevent any unexpected power loss due to running out of credit. You may change any of your email preferences at any point from your account. Before using any services, you must first register your marina. To register your marina, log into BerthMaster Online and select Marinas. Your marina will have provided you with a unique identifier code for this process. Now top up. Simply select Add Credit from the main dashboard page and follow the instructions on screen. All major credit and debit cards are accepted. You only need to top your account up with one single currency of your choice. All exchange rates are handled by BerthMaster Online. Now you're ready to plug in and start using your chosen and allocated services. Connect your boat to the service socket and find the corresponding unique socket ID code. This is found just above the socket itself. Enter the full socket ID code into your BerthMaster Online account dashboard. Socket details will come up, including the tariff. This is set by the marina and is subject to change. Review the details thoroughly, then once happy, press Confirm. To start or stop your service, return to the BerthMaster Online dashboard and scroll to the bottom. You will be able to turn your service on and off. This can be done at the marina or remotely at any time. When the service is turned on, the socket belongs to you. If for whatever reason you become unplugged, the system will close off your account from the socket and the socket becomes available to be reallocated to any account. You can keep track of all your consumption usage via the transaction history page, where your credit will be billed by the kilowatt hour. Some marinas will offer master keypad pedestals on the marina pontoon. In order to use this, ensure you are plugged into your chosen socket. Make a note of your account ID and your 5-digit PIN, both found on your BerthMaster Online accounts page, as well as the 4-digit socket ID code in red found on the label by the socket. At the keypad pedestal, enter your account ID first. Then enter the 4-digit socket ID code. Finally, enter your personal 5-digit PIN. If you already have this socket allocated, you'll be able to see your account credit and turn your service on and off. If this is an available socket, you'll be able to see the tariff rate and confirm your choice. For a newly allocated service, your service will be automatically turned on. For help and support using the BerthMaster Online software, visit BerthMaster.online for contact details or ask your marina for help. The team at BerthMaster Online and your marina hope you enjoy the new electricity and water marina system.